Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put an Audi A8 in neutral with a dead battery. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This is crucial for safety before you begin any work. Next, you'll need to locate the emergency release mechanism for the gear selector, which is typically found near the shifter itself. You might need a small flat blade screwdriver or a key to access it. To access the emergency release, begin by removing the rubber mat from the front cup holder area. Beneath it, you'll find a small plastic cap. Carefully pry this cap off using your flat blade screwdriver or key. This will expose a small hole. Insert your tool into this hole and press down firmly to disengage the shift lock solenoid. Keep it pressed down during the next step. While holding the emergency release mechanism down, press the button on your gear selector. You should now be able to move the gear lever from the park position into neutral. Confirm that the dashboard display indicates N for neutral. Once in neutral, the vehicle can be moved, but remember to re-engage the parking brake if you stop moving it. Always prioritize safety when working with a vehicle. Even in neutral, an Audi A8 can roll, especially on an incline, so consider using wheel chocks. Remember to apply the parking brake whenever the vehicle is stationary. For specific model year variations, or if you encounter any difficulties, always consult your Audi A8 owner's manual for detailed instructions and diagrams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.